Happy New Year, Washington Eagles. We are saying goodbye to 2020 and hello 2021. I hope your new year is off to a great start. Get ready for another week of fun at Washington.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I salute the flag of the state of Oklahoma. Its symbols of peace unite all people.
All right, boys and girls, Washington Eagles, we're going to sing the Washington School Song. This is Miss Shem's class. Yay!
Hey guys, happy January. Can you believe it is already January? Hey, this month's virtue is kindness. And kindness is treating others the way you want to be treated. So this month, let's focus on treating each other with kindness and go out there and spread around kindness like confetti. Have a great day, guys. See ya.
Hello, Washington Eagles. This is Mr. Graham. If it's your birthday this week, stand up. Everyone at Washington wishes you a happy, happy birthday.